Hi everyone, I am Miss Allie and welcome to this week's episode of Random Acts of Science. Today we're going to be talking about air resistance and force by making parachute flyers. In your bag, there is a square portion of a grocery bag, 4 pieces of string, a plastic cup, and a bouncy ball. To begin, tie a piece of string to each corner of the bag. Tie the other end of the string through a hole in your plastic cup. Try to keep each piece of string the same length if possible to avoid ending up with a lopsided parachute. Find a higher place, such as a deck, balcony, or play structure to drop your parachute and watch it fall. Try a second time with the bouncy ball placed inside the cup to see if you can notice a difference. To have even more fun with this project, find other toys or object around your home that will fit in the plastic cup and see how long it takes your parachute to reach the ground. How this experiment works. As you drop your parachute, air gets under the plastic grocery bag, causing air resistance, the frictional force air exerts against a moving object. This is the same force that allows a leaf to gently fall to the ground when it comes off a tree instead of falling quickly. I hope you had fun making parachute flyers. Thank you for joining me on this week's episode of Random Acts of Science. This program has been sponsored by PBS Kids, and you can find lots of great content on their website at pbskids.org. Thanks again, and we will see you next week. Yay! That came out funny.